If you're a business owner operating in the renovations industry, one of the biggest challenges facing you as a business owner is how to best grow your business. Competition is fierce, and the ways to get your message to market today are vastly different from just a few years ago. In fact, the technologies and platforms being used today are developing and changing at an exponential rate. If you blink, you can be left behind. Rather than relying on existing channels such as referrals, networks or cold calling, many businesses are discovering how cost-effective it can be to have clients coming to them. Having effective inbound marketing can create a steady flow of leads from businesses that want what you have to offer. In Australia, there are over 17 million monthly active users on Facebook, and the question for business is not whether you should advertise on the platform, but how. With such a large base of users and a high level of information available about them, it's possible to use a high degree of targeting to segment audiences and attract them with messages that resonate and offers that are irresistible. I'd like to share with you a recent campaign that we ran. We targeted business owners nationally, specifically managing directors, founders and CEOs with company revenues between $1 million and $5 million. The targeting was precise and the message articulated a single major challenge facing business owners and 7 things to do in order to overcome it. The results were outstanding and we received over 200 leads. These were all qualified decision makers with the authority to make decisions and invest in solutions to their problems. Imagine if you were able to get 10 to 20 additional leads per week into your business. What would this mean? What is the lifetime value of a single new customer to your business? If you're able to convert just 1 in 10 of these leads to a sale, could you afford to say no? This month we have just 3 spots available to take on new HR consulting clients seeking to generate leads. If this sounds like this could be you, then please click on the link below.